This property at 69 Stonehenge Road in Poultney, Vermont presents an exceptional opportunity for potential buyers. Set on a 1.7-acre lot in the picturesque Lakes Region of Vermont, this raised ranch home features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The first floor includes a primary suite complete with a walk-in closet and private bath, along with 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, a living room, dining area, and kitchen. The lower level offers a spacious family room with a fireplace, an additional bedroom, a laundry room with a 3/4 bath, an office, and utility space. A Buderus furnace provides efficient heating during the colder months. This home is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, located within walking distance of Lake St. Catherine Country Club, which allows easy access to golf. It is also conveniently close to Lake St. Catherine State Park, Slate Valley biking and hiking trails, and several ski areas. The live auction is scheduled for Thursday, May 29, 2025, beginning at 11 in the morning and ending at noon. Interested parties can register and inspect the property starting at 10 in the morning on the day of the auction. Additionally, an open house is available on Tuesday, May 13th, from 11 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. Contact us today for more information.